Hello everyone, my name is Ajit Kumar and this is my uh, progress report for AR/VR project, and project name is creating a solar system using animation, background and user instruction using AR. Overview. I had drawn all the planet on blank page. On showing each page it will pop out that planet in front of camera. I also applied various augmentation on each planet like rotation of each planet, creating environment as per that planet. The demonstration is as follows. This is Venus. This is Mars. This is Pluto. This is Earth. This is Neptune. This is Mercury. This is Jupiter. This is Uranus. This is Saturn. This is Sun. Future work. I have to combine all planets together so that they revolve around sun so that it becomes solar system. Along with that, we'll create beautiful animation visual effect. That's it. Thank you.